The growing mechanical keyboards, celebrated by typists and gamers for their responsiveness, durability, and precision, mirrors the rise in popularity of system diagnostic scan tools among car owners and professionals. Drivers want efficient, reliable tools to understand and maintain their vehicles without costly guesswork. This guide reviews the best system diagnostic scan tools based on compatibility, features, build quality. List number: OTR Diagnostics HD Scan Tool, updated 2025 adapter, forced regen, read and reset fault P-codes. The OTR Diagnostics HD Scan Tool is an excellent choice for heavy-duty truck drivers and mechanics who need advanced functionality. This updated 2025 adapter allows forced regens, reading and resetting fault and P-codes with ease. Designed for professional use, it works seamlessly with diesel engines, offering clear diagnostics for emission systems, sensors, and more. The robust build and user-friendly interface ensure longevity and efficiency, ideal for heavy-duty fleets and repair shops. It saves time and money by helping identify and clear problems quickly and accurately. List new: MUKAR AI-assisted bidirectional scan tool, 892BT full system OBD2 scanner, bidirectional OBD2 scanner diagnostic tool. The MUKAR 892BT is a cutting-edge bidirectional scan tool that combines AI assistance with full system diagnostics. It supports advanced bidirectional control, like actuating components during tests, making it perfect for professionals who want more than basic code reading. The AI feature guides users through troubleshooting and repairs, reducing the learning curve. Wireless and equipped with a large color screen, it's intuitive to operate, even for beginners. With wide vehicle coverage and excellent customer support. List 3. XTool D6S OBD2 Scanner Diagnostic Tool, 2025. Car scanner with 30 resets. All system scan tool with FCA and CAN FD. The XTool D6S offers incredible versatility with its all-system diagnostic capabilities and support for over 30 reset functions, including oil reset, EPB, DPF, SAS, and more. Compatible with FCA and CAN FD protocols, it covers a broad range of vehicles, including newer models. The large touchscreen display, intuitive software, and rugged construction make it suitable for both professional and personal use. Its fast processing and reliable connectivity mean less downtime and more precise results. For anyone needing an advanced, list number: Anova 5610 OBD2 Bidirectional Scan Tool. Understand your vehicle. Pinpoint what's wrong. The Anova 5610 is a dependable bidirectional scan tool designed for car owners who want to pinpoint vehicle problems without the guesswork. It reads and clears codes, performs active tests, and even checks ABS, SRS, transmission, and more. Its guided diagnostics walk users through repair processes, making it accessible even to those with minimal experience. The bright screen, intuitive controls, and durable design make it easy to use and reliable. Perfect for serious DIYers or as a backup for professionals. This tool bridges the gap between entry-level and advanced diagnostics. List number: Autofix 1710P Plus, fit for BMW scanner, full system diagnostic scan tool with all reset services. Battery specifically designed for BMW vehicles, the Autofix 1710P Plus delivers deep diagnostic coverage tailored to BMW's unique systems. It covers full system checks, including engine, transmission, ABS, and SRS, as well as offering reset services for batteries, oil, and brakes. Its compact and rugged design makes it a perfect glove box companion for BMW owners. Easy to navigate menus and clear instructions help even novices perform maintenance and troubleshooting. If you own a BMW and want a dedicated tool that speaks your car's language, this is the one to get.